Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if cellular data or mobile data not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So now for fixing it, first thing just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to open mobile data or cellular data. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can check go to mobile data options or cellular data options and just check if you turn on LTE here. Also, if it doesn't help you, just go back, just turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have the server, so just go to the general, just tap on software update and just wait until it will check for updates. And if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.